Remove the 4 perimeter grill screws to remove the grill. Disconnect the 2 spade connections to the water solenoid valve. Remove the 2 water valve mounting screws. Press the white ring of the water valve upward to remove the lower outlet hose. Using a flat blade screwdriver, unclip the locking buckle at the top fitting. Press the upper ring downward to remove the hose from the valve. Using a 15mm wrench, remove the water connector and reinstall on the new valve. Install the new water valve by simply pressing each line into the respective fittings firmly. On the upper fitting, reinstall the locking buckle with a tab facing upward. Install the mount bracket screws, electrical connectors, and reinstall the grill. Reconnect water pressure and power to the unit and allow up to 1.5 hours for ice production to resume.